Mariria mathomo ma CBC mahurirwo shafi bururi-ini ni gukoretwo na mabataro maingi mathukuru-ini matiganite wa ica ikuhi ari maai ma uingi kuona arutwo aria mahanda mimera itiganite iracoka kumagara ni wagi wa maai. Thukuru wa muthingi wa teknoloji mwena wa Kiharu na uria utongoragia thiini wa kaunti yothe ya Murang'a ukiruguririo mwako wa itangi ria lita ngiri magana matatu cia maai ni karanja mburu wa matangi.
Ndikirwo marua ni thukuru tondu wa thina wa maai maria makorago mena goro na ki no muthi ni tukite tondu wa kwanjiriria itangi ground breaking kwanjiriria itangi ria maai
kuringana na wa matangi. Itangi riri riria rigutumira muigana wa shiringi milioni 1.5 rigukorwo ari kiguni kinene kuri arutwo a CBC.
Project ino ya matangi twanjiriirie mwaka-ini wa 2011 na matangi maria twakite thaici matangi 100 riri ni itangi rigana na rimwe na matangi maya ni tuhuthirite muigana wa milioni 100 ria 50.
Amwe a arutwo aria twaraniirie nao magitwira marahandite mitiro mani wagi wa maai.
First of all, our cleanliness will be enhanced and improved. Like the toilets, we are using the modern toilets, so we have been having a bit of issues here and there, but with the water we'll be able to clean our toilets.
It's going to help in agriculture from the CBC students. They are planting like bananas and all those. So if those crops need to be watered in order to grow well.
Arutani gwata aciari makiyukia tabarira ino ya wa matangi na njira nene.
Ciana citu ni iratecekaga muno ni maai na riu ni turakena ni tondu ciana citu itigucoka guthinika ringi ni tondu ni tukugia na maai thiini wa thukuru itu.
Actually, we have had quite a lot of bills in the recent past. The very last one to be mentioned in the month of January to February, where we incurred a bill to the tune of 274,000. So this is quite a lot for a school like this.
Riri ni rimwe ria matangi 100 maria makitwo mwena wa Kiharu ni karanja mburu wa matangi kwa muigana wa shiringi milioni 150 wa matangi akiuga ni atigaritie gwaka matangi mangi 15 thukuru-ini citiganite o guku Kiharu. Wakiigwa kamuhwa ngunyira niguo ngururirie na nguthererie tondu gaka ni kanya kohoro kuma metumi ndigi maguru ritwa riakwa ni Sera wa Boi wa Mwagi.